Is there anything you think AI should not be used for? Is it a great tool for creative applications, helping make movies, as you stated? But are there applications that you wouldn't trust to AI? Um, it's a great question, but to be perfectly honest, I think as it evolves, right? For me, the answer would be no. Um, Now, and the reason for that is that as we begin to build solutions, and because of my background, excuse me, because of my background in solutions architecture, I build solutions on the side for myself and for clients as well. You can build in these guardrails into various processes. And so we can ask Chatty about this. So, Chatty, one of the things that I like to do, right, when it comes to using AI, is I like to have two models from two different companies looking at the same problem and helping me solve the same problem. And I find that to be very beneficial. What's your thoughts around that?
I think that's a brilliant practice. Having multiple models or even multiple systems working together can give you a more balanced view. One model can catch biases or blind spots in another. It's like a system of checks and balances. So whether you're verifying critical tasks or generating creative outputs, layering the AI systems can help ensure more reliable results. It's a great safeguard.
Yeah, absolutely. So I found it really beneficial, and I'll give you an example just off the top of my head. So I do coding as well in VS Code, and I've got both codecs that I use from OpenAI, which I think is fantastic with the latest version of the model, which is like 5.2. Then I used to also use Claude Code as well. And when I have them together in my VS Code and I'm coding, sometimes one will be either a little confused or might recommend something, and I'll run it through the other model and say, what do you think about this? Or is there another way that we can solve this problem that's more efficient? And it honestly blows my mind because, again, as a technical person, I'm like, this is like having two of the best software engineers in the world sitting next to me, helping me code my program, right, my software, and doing it in a fraction of the amount of time that it would take me to do it. Any other questions, comments?